Good day, folks. Brent Barnett here with Vancouver Yacht Sales by United City Yachts, Canada's premier yacht sales network. Here today introducing a beautiful boat. This is a 2001 350 Signature Chaparral. This boat has got a lot of maintenance done to it, a lot of upgrades, which we're going to showcase here to you today. As you can see, canvas was replaced last year, so new canvas. This is the second owner of this wonderful vessel. Comes with a rib tender with a Mercury, 15 horsepower Mercury. Decent sized swim platform. Nice two-step up into the cockpit area. So in the cockpit area, great seating in here, as you can see. And to get more room, if you wish, this seat here will fold up. It also becomes a single berth back here if you have extra people aboard. Up in the helm station, more seating. All the electronics one would need, of course. Some new gauges on her. So the big thing with this boat, folks, great sight lines, by the way. Nice big sun pad up front. Just show you the canvas again. Just great shape. Big thing with this boat, repowered. We've got two engines, one with 12 hours, one with 62 hours. In here is your wet bar, ice making machine. And then let's just take a walk down into the cabin area. So again, same theme, very roomy. Nice settee that does drop down into a single berth, mid cabin. And that's a double with a privacy curtain, of course. Directly across is the head. Quite a nice size with the shower as well. And then into the galley area, well equipped. We've got a convection microwave. We've got a 2-burner cooktop. A decent sized fridge, nice pull-out tap with a deep sink. We've got the Keurig coffee maker, and then into the forward cabin. Again, very roomy. You've got a nice bench seat there, easy access on both sides, lots of great storage on her. The current owners took about 2 years to find this beauty, and then unfortunately got relocated for work. So they have to let this beauty go, regrettably. But folks, this is a great boat. There's nothing that needs to be done on it. Bottom paint's been done, zinc's been done. We have a survey to share with you folks. If there is interest, please contact me at 236-688-6828. You can email me at brent@vancouveryachtsales.com, or better yet, check out our listing on our website of this boat at vancouveryachtsales.com, and it'll have 360 pictures as well. That's going to allow you to scroll around the boat. You can zoom in, zoom out, and we'll have more still pictures as well. If you want a boat to get started and have the rest of the summer in this beauty, please contact me. Thanks, and I hope you enjoyed watching.